Muna Muslim socialist inclined political party. No? Because me see NDC is jabbling identity crisis. They don't even have an ideology. They don't have it. Oh, better someone a job back. No more now. Some socialist, no, some center left now. Social Democratic Party. They don't even know where they are. Confused party they are. Media, I'm not surprised. In the agenda 111 health policy. Ebe show my promoting with this and it should be the last political party to have even a way of say they should be afraid of some of these things. And because the thing said MPP and DBA coalition, that's not what they are looking at.
I see.
So you know, we are on course.
But the health minister's assurance is there's no single project under the watcher. And developed and are completed, What do you make of it?
Yeah, that man, he's a solid man. I have known him. Oh yeah. In terms of finance,
You can't see a penny profile now, ATA.
Oh. Anybody want any profile?
No, that's how I mean. The profile, they dreamt in your appointment, Now, my the profile, does it speak to the issue currently on the table?
That is why he's telling you, Sadibi Wakabi Obeye.
Oh, I see.
Minimum, since when he was the deputy minister of finance, our public account committee chairman, apart from few things, we cannot be a paragon of it. Never to me back a crank. Won't go for you. You see, a cancer, Papa Nankasano, Papano, or the same say to boy.
But almost a candidate for jail in the future.
Sir, and NDC former president in Namkruma.
Oh.
More power than
because same Kruma.
Yeah, sure.
That's why when they speak like this, some of us become so offensive. As if they don't even know what they talk about. Kruma, we are practicing democracy. And dictatorship. And yet to trust them near Basao. Your mind only Jina Hone Yama. It's Probiachi and Papano de Zangano. But media, that is what I'm a Democrat by choice.
True.
I believe in democracy. You know, 111 there, achievable, highly practicable, and for me, to come to pass. And I do it. So I can't feel such as no support social democratic party. No more Yaramoko, no Musu Kwame, almost Kwame Krumani, Mususa, nothing happens. That's easy for you.
I mean, I say now you make progress, but Enra president encounter with the anti-corruption coalition, Okasa and Sembebre, who na president. It appears as a the amount for canon UTA in his own estimation. Debut now then, and I make us say in his own estimation. Oh, but why? Oh, there be say. But in the president's own estimation, no, and in some more can say. Oh, but then and what can not? Then you know, and you want to kind and keeping your biakan. Ah, na send the estimation of the situation, no. Estimation, Bema. So do any bua. President say corruption party. Idea with me too susapa. Now, apart from so strengthening, the anti-corruption agencies, no, there's no single issue of corruption left. Unhandled under his watch. Or say, I don't think that any government has mobilized resources to give the opportunity for anti-corruption agencies of the state to function as efficiently as this government has done. And it's a matter of record. The president also noted that without such investment in anti-graft institutions, the vexed issues of fighting corruption would have been in vain. If the institutions of the republic that are meant to take the struggle are not capable to do so, all talk about fighting corruption remain meaningless. He was also unhappy about the politicization of alleged corruption-related issues, but said he will continue to pay heed to the disquiets and suggestions on the matter to strengthen the fight against the canker. Now, one issue I noted, our president in same year, where he did say the current acting auditor general is doing well, unlike the predecessor. The I say media hype and an origin but when it comes to corruption they are Banahine Akufo-Addo also bipa. Take it away. Oh well, what do you think? Faye. What's a Faye? Faye, born no dear. Watch us you. Yes, I think for.
I say you have to be our home. Can you talk 8.9? Obi and Woody Ecoso.
Mo.
Ha. And he said, can you and to soon as well? And he say, and maybe she said, baby. So for us, at any time, we continue to talk about corruption. Say, it's to me reducing it to the barest minimum. Yenti me in free ho crowd. So bon some crowd no ho or so.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, near massa bobo senku no or jeje akenjes ni bi no no mo ye near man to no bass asese. Just say baby in any environment be nipa ho bia no. Nipa boni wo ho. Of course. So we need to deal with things decisively. And we have Financial Administrative Act, Procurement Act. Sanema we nyina no. Ye ku na de ba yo. Se beto hyen akọ ketase kankan ne proye. Nama enipa hu say sanema no emboa oman because oman sika de me I've always say I'm a total strong advocate for say obi ye odi oban sika say punishing
eno de
punitive actions should be meted out to those people say oman sika nyina yes yetimi nya me because school downtown and I mean man me turn near kakra kakoni near man or the because of gas time sometimes the school fees pay in metua also set your tax. Yeah, can you now boom now or my juma house maybe. For me, I don't support that. But at time and then penny bet me a you bet me a master sanko for me and Brassemono on Bejai. And say they invest in those institutions. And I don't talk about it. We need to strengthen those institutions. I remember of waiting me a journey, Sanya man or Moyen. And all over the world. I have studied a little. Of course, South Korea. So ubeja phone ato what kwan mo bi amfa ubetuma ja pudu gold ba atu lo kwan bi amfa ba oba Ghana how ja phone to asore dem a ye bompa ye kra ba na ni because we don't punish high profile corruption you don't school crowd first you see corporal punishment ye jai nipa obo kra ma kra we ne ma basa e na ne ma me de wo etsin we need to do that say wetimi ayema nkofo hu say we wudi bone ye say twaso. Okay, obi ko wi abanche ne body ye de na 25 years. Nti obi timi di aban sika ye jai no. Na me kube ase mi kube. Coconut. E ka den kran say. Wo feja kosoro. No okosun ya ase ye jai no. O just here. And many examples like that. Was swam the agenda for who. I don't even better name I person me ye no any political lines. Yeah. Because me I believe in say the sanctity of this country's tradition has to be protected. In the sense political parties are like labels. Say phone we kutani. One man can't say we say yeah. But the sovereign will of this country. And I say many will be because see I didn't know South Korea. Uko China, what my corrupt to China. China. You so my boss send you now. There are many countries in the world that why? Because Mutimidi prepare a sea honor. Now for us we partisan politics with this. Onipano judge or baby or seven. Who could this guy as MPP or say or NDC or CPP? Yeah, Jan or no, and I was around their politics. So they don't. For me, they don't. The fact is that as you know, political actors, you know, it should be serious in dealing with this issue. So I'm for all for Nanado. No, but has there been a case study? You bet me I can say indeed. Fighting against corruption, a real and Nanado. Very well. Because they expecting because they did mention some of the cases. Institutions are fighting corruption. I talk about financial, administrative, I talk about procurement, those things, and I talk about getting the case back now for ban we buy what you to sir. Because you would say indeed you are fighting against corruption. What is confirmed to Burkina? Oh, but there were issues around PDS contracts and the question open and then close ended. So I was trying to respond to your question. Mate. Missing confirmed lecturer. Uncle Burkina, lecturer. Confirmed to Tunko Burkina. Okay. Victoria Guinea. What you say? And now, laptop I see a cheche ukromano. Papa Biano, so the kind of. Agambela. Many cases like that. Kube and Yanton Kube or Brazil in my account.
The same way I'm drawing your attention to some of the cases under your administration. How have you been able to handle those cases? I mentioned PDS.
PDS was system.
Oh.
I was PDS, you know, that's what the president being so proactive, you know.